What's up, cute dolls and cute dons, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become part of the queendom. So in today's video, I have a full face get ready with me, plus a little treat. I added in the natural hairstyle and the accessories. So that's all a part of getting ready with me. I'm already dressed and I kept the face quite neutral. I wanted this makeup to be a makeup that you can wear anywhere, to work, to school, wherever you want it to go. The hair still has to grow on me a bit. Wow, look at all this shrinkage. Oh my gosh. I'm not used to wearing my hair like my natural hairstyle, so that does have to grow on me, but I just have some braided ringlets right here and then a nice like little poof with what do you call it? Just like little ringlets of kinky curly hair, and then the back kinky curly hair. But it's all my hair. On the nails, we have a Shein number. Really pretty. It's just like a cranberry. I know it's reading like red on here, but it's really just like a cranberry color with like this pretty rose gold in there. I will definitely link these nails below. These earrings I just got from the local hair store. That's everything, y'all. I'm starting out just like this, how I would any other time before I get ready. So you would typically see me in my bonnet. First and foremost, before I put anything on my face, I love starting with my brows. And now I have grown my brows out over the years to pretty much a thickness and a fullness that I like. So all I have to typically do is go in with some brow gel and really like define my brows. So taking this brown brow gel, I'm just brushing my brows in the direction that I want it to go. So yeah, if you have thick brows like me, you don't even have to like draw them in. Just get you some brow gel in the color that you want. They make them anywhere from clear to as dark as you want. And I would typically say, even if you are dark-haired girls, stay away from black. You can go as far brown as you want to, but stay away from black. We're not doing that mistake in 2023, okay? Go in and define your brows. So to do this, I like to take this MAC palette right there. I like to go right on in an angled concealer brush. So I like to take this yellow. I like to go all underneath of the brows. We want to use a really thick and creamy concealer for carving out our brows. We want to take our time to carve underneath of the brow because that's going to give us the shape that we're looking for. Then we want to take a shade of concealer that matches more of our skin color to carve out the very top of the brow. Then I'm taking the concealer that's in my skin tone and I'm going back underneath of the brow just to blend it out and make it look a lot more natural. You do not have to use a yellow concealer to carve out your brows. Just be sure to use a concealer that's 1 to 2 shades lighter than your actual skin color underneath of your brow just to give a highlighted effect. Then we're just going in with a fluffy blending brush to blend out all of the concealer that's above the top of the brow and underneath of the brow to give it more of a natural look. Alrighty, so once your brows look like sisters, or if you want them to look like twins, then work with them some more to like twins. But once they look like sisters, you can then move in with the next steps of the routine. Then we want to go back in with the spoolie brush and brush all the hairs of our brows into place. Then we want to use a really good face primer, and face primer just helps your makeup to go on a lot more smoothly. Make sure your face is moisturized before doing your makeup because that's going to help your makeup apply a lot better. You can use your fingers or a brush to apply your face primer to your face. So the very next step you want to go into is your eyes, actually, because any fallout that you get from your eyeshadows, you want to be able to clean that up without having any foundation on your face. So I like to go in with a really light concealer And this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. So I literally take a little bit and place it on each eye. Then, using the same fluffy blending brush that we use on the brows to blend out the concealer, I like to go in and blend out my eye concealer. And this is going to create a really nice base for the eyes. So go ahead and blend that out. And I'm keeping this look simple and minimal for, you know, the cute dolls who want to do this face like every day, wants like an everyday type look. I'm gonna take this powder foundation of mine with a clean fluffy brush. I'm going to go over my eyelids with my foundation. This is just going to help to make sure that your eyeshadow is not moving. So I'm going into my Nabla Cutie palette, and then I'm just going to take that brick looking shade and go into the crease and blend out the crease of the eyes just to give it some warmth and definition. You could also use a bronzer, whatever bronzer you have, to define your crease and give it some warmth. Remember to build up that color to your liking and then blend, blend, blend to make it look really natural and pretty. Then we're going to take a concealer that's a little bit lighter than our skin tone to apply it underneath of the eye for more of a highlighted effect. We get a nice dome brush and go into this pink one right here and just really pack it on. Because once this gets covered up, you really are not going to be able to see it. So pack on as much of that blush as you need to, right there on your cheeks. The foundation, and place the foundation where it needs to be placed. So I like to do some along my forehead, under my chin, on my cheek, like that, above the lip, and a little bit on the nose. Really don't need a whole lot of this formula, like that. Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and this is just going to activate the product and help me to really like blend everything in nicely. So first we're going to go in and blend out that concealer underneath of the eyes, and we want to start there because we actually placed this product first. Then we're going to go back in with some more of that Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Next, go in with a foundation brush. Just looks like this. Go with that foundation brush and blend in your foundation. Be sure not to touch the blush just yet. Now take more of an angled brush to blend out the blush. Taking a fluffy blending brush, we're just going to tap into the under eye area just to blend out any of the concealers that might have settled or anything right before we apply powders. So you just want this brush to be completely clean for us to blend it out before applying the powders. Next, we're going to tap the setting powder of our choice into the under eye area just to set that concealer, and it's just going to give a nice flawless natural look. You also want to be able to make sure you're adding the setting powder to places of the face like the chin and around the mouth and the nose, places of the face that might collect some more oil as the day goes on, even in the forehead area as well. Then you want to take about a medium-sized fluffy blending brush and you want to tap into the foundation of your color and then just go all over the foundation, the liquid foundation we placed, and then we're going to go over the highlighted areas as well, just to tone it down and make it look a little bit more natural. So you want to take a smaller fluffy blending brush and go into the foundation, and again we're just going to concentrate all underneath of the eyes to make sure we are blending that out, making it look as natural as possible. Then we're just going to go back in with that medium fluffy blending brush and blend everything out, not adding any more product, but just to blend everything out. We're going to take a smaller fluffy blending brush and our favorite bronzer, and we're going to go and contour this nose, and you just want to create more of a defined shape. And you can actually skip this step if you're not into creating a contour for your nose. Took it a step further and decided to contour my lips just to give the appearance of bigger lips. And then taking that small blending brush, we're going to go back and blend out the areas that I just contoured. Blending is really important for giving more of a natural look. Then take your favorite highlighter shade and a different fluffy blending brush and apply the highlighter to, you know, all of the high points of your face, mainly my cheekbones and right down the center of my nose. And I love using this highlighter by MAC Cheeky Bronze. You can see right here on this side it's so bright and highlighted, and then on this side it was dull until I added the highlighter. Again, without applying any extra product, we're just going to take that fluffy blending brush and blend out the highlighted parts to give it more of a natural look. And as you can see right here, I'm really satisfied with the results. Look at that glow. It is at this point that we can go ahead and finish up the eyes. So I'm starting with an eyeliner, and I love this creamy eyeliner by Urban Decay. And so I'm just going in and lining my eyes with that. Then we're going to go in with our favorite mascara, and I'm just using the Revlon Volume Amazing mascara, and we're going to put on 2 coats. So I like to do one eye first and then the other eye, as you see here, and then I like to go back into the mascara and do the second coat, the first eye that I did, and the second coat on the last eye that I did. Now you can stop right here as far as the eyes with just the liner and the mascara. However, I like to always take it a step further. The lashes should be good. I think these are the most natural lashes that I own right in this pack. So let's do those. Use my lash glue. I love brush on lash glue for exactly this purpose. You can get as close to the lash line as you possibly can. Just brush it on there. Then find the center of your lash and just plop it right on there and adjust and pinch and get as close to that lash line as you possibly can. So then I'm taking my favorite brown lip liner and I'm going in. And y'all know I like to overline my lips. Well, if you don't know, you better know that I love to overline my lips because my lips are a little bit thin. So then you want to take your favorite nude lipstick, and shout out to my bestie Nisha. And this is the L'Oreal Infallible. It's like the chocolate one. It smells like chocolate. Oh, it smells so good. Anyway, I love this as a nude. I think you could still get it. So once you apply your lipstick, you can go back in with the lip liner. Then you want to take the same angled concealer brush that you used to carve out your brows. You don't have to add any extra product to it, but you can go ahead and clean up your lips. So this is the final look on my face. So now for the hair. I can't believe I'm doing this on camera. So first I just spritz my hair with some water, and then I spritz my hair with some olive oil, and I'm just taking out my twist. Now to take out the twist in the back, and it's really quick and simple process. Just untwist them and then fluff the hair really good. You want to fluff the hair really good both on the top of the head and as well in the back. Then we're going to take some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and set the face, spray it all over the face so that once it dries, the makeup doesn't move. Next, we're going to add in some earrings for the accessory. And this pretty much completes the look, so you all have gotten ready with me. My natural hair sisters, please let me know if you've tried this Eco Styler gel. This is the crystal one, and it's supposed to be like a maximum hold. I've only used it like twice, and every time that I've used it, I've had like flakes in my hair. And so I just wanted to know if that's just this or if it's because I'm mixing it with products. So let me know in the comment section below if you have this, if you like it, if you don't like it, like what's going on with this gel. Let me know if you want to see more of these style videos on my channel. Let me know if you want to see natural hair tutorials. Let me know if you want to see Shein nails, whatever it is. Let me know so that I can create more of that content for you. So I hope you all enjoyed this full face get ready with me, and if you like it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what was your favorite part about it. Make sure to tune into the community tab so that you can react to the polls and things of that sort in the posts that I make over in the community section. And as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, cute dolls, and until next time, hasta luego.